Good morning, subscribers. Today I wanted to talk about watermelon. Watermelon is one of the kings of the fruits. So many benefits to watermelon, and it's the best sports drink. Fantastic sports drink. Instead of getting, all those sports drinks that are loaded with added sugars, salts, coloring, watermelon juice. Just take some watermelon, try to get the seeded kind, and blend that up. It's the best drink for an athlete. But so many benefits, I just wanted to go over some. I've got 11 benefits of watermelon. Number one, it fights inflammation. A 2019 study found people who ate just 2 cups of watermelon had less inflammation than folks who ate low-fat cookies. Okay, those things have to be cooked. They are devoid of water. Watermelon's the king, 92% water. And then you've got the fiber. It's hydrating. Just like I said, 92% water. And your body, your stomach will feel full, rather quickly, which can be a good thing for people that are trying to lose weight. Nutrients, it's high quantities of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and the B vitamins. It's good for your skin and hair. If your skin is dry and flaky, vitamin A repairs skin cells. Smooth, steady digestion, number 5. The water and fiber are the 2 keys. Fiber gives you the bulk, and water keeps things moving. It combats cancer, number 6. It's high in lycopene. Research shows it helps protect cells from damage. A healthy heart. Again, lycopene. It helps reduce artery wall stiffness and thickness associated with high blood pressure. Number 8, eye health. Lycopene, again, prevents against oxidative damage. It can even help prevent macular degeneration for older folks and some younger folks that get that as well. Number 9, asthma. Vitamin C, it fights inflammation, improves lung function, eases achy muscles. It's the best sports drink. Like I say, if you want to restore muscle glycogen, watermelon is a great, great food. 2013 study, athletes who drank watermelon juice experienced less muscle soreness and better recovery. And it helps with weight loss, like I said, because your stomach feels full with all that water and fiber, and it's impossible to overeat. But it's got nutrition. Remember, fruit in general has the highest vitamin content of any other food on the planet. That's why I'm a big proponent of fruits. Why not eat the food that has the highest vitamin content? You look at vitamin. What is a vitamin? A vitamin is essential for growth and nutrition required in the diet that cannot be synthesized by the body. We cannot make the nutrients that are in watermelon. And I was thinking vitamin, vitality. Those words are kind of close, aren't they? Vitality, I think, comes from that word vitamin, which means distinguishing living from non-living. So, and the Latin word, vita, or vita, how do you say that? I'm not sure, means life. And, raw living food like watermelon means life for you. Life begets life. And you're getting life from that watermelon with the highest vitamin content, or you're going to get the best vitality. from this food. So my wife went to a Immokalee and got this bad boy, and these are the kind I like, you know, the football kind, because this one has the seeds. Notice that yellow on the bottom, okay? That's a good sign. When you see that yellow on the bottom, that's where it's been sitting in the sun like that. The yellow's on the ground. But that's a sign that you've got a nice, ripe watermelon. She picked these up in Immokalee. Look at that stem. I mean, it looks a little old there because I've had it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days. But when she bought these, the stem was still green. These are so fresh. If you put them right in the fridge, they maintain their freshness. And this one, oh man, I mean, we've already eaten 2 of them, and I have 3 left. So she picked up 4 or 5, I'm not sure, but anyway, and guess how much she got them for? $2 a pop. $2 for that one. Now that's a great deal. You go to a supermarket, they're going to charge you at least $10 for something like this. So if you can search out these growers, I know it's hard for most of you. I happen to be very blessed and fortunate that I live so close to the farms that produce these babies. So, you know, you'll see a guy out in Immokalee, he's got a truckload of watermelons, which he just bought from the farm for maybe $1 or 50 cents a pop. I don't know what he's getting them for, but he's selling it to my wife for $2. So, I mean, he's got to make a little profit. Man, so I'm telling you, watermelon, I'm so happy we're in watermelon season. Oh, I love this. So hydrating. It does a body good. Fruit up, baby. So give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Take care.